How much money do you spend a month for makeup? The average woman spends $313 a month on makeup. So if you do the math, in a year, that's about $3,756 a year. Now, take that, multiply it from the age of 18 to 78. That's going to be almost $225,000 in your lifetime. Oh my God. Are you ready for an affordable look today? I am, so let's hop right into it. Hey everyone, it's Kat, and welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. I am 52 years old, and I love makeup and skincare. And I have been going over the numbers, and it's been ridiculous. We spend so much money on makeup. There are so many affordable choices out there. And today I decided to do a get ready with me using nothing but affordable drugstore makeup. Now, drugstore makeup has been upping their game. Everything from COVERGIRL, Maybelline, Kokie, NYX. There's so many great products out there, and I can't wait to do a face for you. So let's jump right into it. But before we do, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And remember, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, I must be having a hot flash because it is really 34 degrees out here in Tennessee and I'm wearing a tank top. Yes, hot flashes, hello. Okay, I've already primed and prepped my skin. I went in with ColourPop's Pretty Fresh Primer. This retails for $14, if I'm not mistaken, maybe $12. But yeah, I also love the Jelly Pop Dew Primer, and I'm probably gonna put in just a little bit of this primer so my foundation will stay. And I was thinking about what kind of foundation I wanted to use, and I was torn because I love the Kokie HD foundation, which you can get at Rite Aid for $12.99. I've been loving the COVERGIRL Simply Ageless foundation as well. So let's do, I think I'm gonna go in with the COVERGIRL Simply Ageless foundation. This stuff is amazing. It retails for $15.99, but you can pick this up anywhere at Target, Walmart, the drugstore, Walgreens, CVS, and I'm just gonna go right in with the COVERGIRL. You guys, it blows my mind how much money we spend on makeup, and that also includes skincare products as well. It also includes manicures, pedicures, facials, haircuts. So we can totally justify it to ourselves, right? If it all includes that. But yes, staggering numbers, I know. So I wanted to do something a little bit more affordable because with the holidays coming up, we want to have money ready for our loved ones and Christmas presents. Spread the love. What I love about this foundation, it smells so fresh and clean, and it also has hyaluronic complex and vitamin C to brighten up your complexion. I love how it matches my skin tone. It's super comfortable. Plus, it has oil of Olay in it, and it really moisturizes my face all day long. Plus, I'm using my L'Oreal Beauty Sponge, and this retails for $6.99. I'm trying to tell you, I'm keeping it inexpensive today. Now for concealer, I'm going in with Maybelline's SUPERSTAY Undercover Concealer. I love this product. I especially love it for doing my eyebrows, you know what I mean? But I'm just gonna take a little bit out and go right under my eyes just to brighten and hit the high points of my nose and wherever I get red. So I'm going to take a little bit, blend it with my ring finger, and tap it in ever so slightly. So, how much do you spend a month on makeup? Have you ever done the numbers? You do not want to know how much I spend. And certainly, I don't want my husband to know how much I spend on makeup. All of the makeup that I feature on this channel, I purchase with my own money because I'm just like you. I'm a consumer. I want to know what works best for me. And if I can share that with you, then there you go. Plus, being older and having more mature skin, I want to find the best products for us. Nice and blended. And I wanted to let you know I did my eyebrows with L'Oreal's Brow Stylist Eyebrow Pencil. This is amazing and it's beautiful. It works just as well as the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. So they're almost par with each other, but this is so much more affordable. Now I'm just gonna go in with a quick little contour, and you guys know I love Makeup Revolution's Sculpt and Glow. You can get this at Ulta and it retails for $12. But you get 2 in 1. You get sculpting and you also get a highlighter. And look how gorgeous this is. This is in the lightest shade, which is Desert Sky. Now for eyeshadow. In my last review, I tested out Tati's new Textured Neutrals palette. Love it. $48. That's a lot of money. But I did a recent haul on Dollar General and I got a couple of eyeshadow palettes from the Believe Beauty line. And I'm telling you, these pack a punch for much more affordable price. These retail for $5 and they come in like 4 or 5 different palettes. This one is the Nearly Nude palette and I'm gonna do just a simple daytime look, but look how gorgeous this is. $5, you cannot go wrong. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna dip into this beautiful matte shade right here and I'm just gonna go over my eyes just to create a nice base. Granted, it's not the exact quality of Tati, of course, but this is super affordable if you are on a budget. Okay, there is some kickback there. Now I'm going to take my smaller Real Techniques brush. I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm just going to tap it right through here just to get a little bit of depth for my transition. And I find this works beautifully. I'm going to drag it into the corner of my eye just to create a little depth. But look how quickly that goes on. So smooth. And then I'm going to take again the original brush and just buff out the edges and blend it. And I'm going to come down with this beautiful color right through here and just tap it on the outer corner of my eye, just to open it up. And I hear a cat. And run it under my lash line. Now, I'm going to go in with the other eyeshadow palette from Believe Beauty. And I love these toppers. They are so beautiful and so gorgeous. And I'm feeling brave today. I think I want to go ahead and top it off with this beautiful gold. Look at the pigment on this. Stunning. And I'm just going to tap it on my eyelid. Now, granted, there is a little bit of fallout, but with most glitters, you're going to experience that. See? Wow. $5! And who doesn't have a Dollar General in their neighborhood? Okay, I'm super happy with that. I'm just going to take the same brush and I'm just going to buff out the edges and bring it up. Now I think I'm going to take a little bit from the Golden Disco palette and I'm going to go in with this deep dark midnight shade on a smaller MAC brush and just hit the top of the outside corner of my eyes just to deepen that up. And then I'm going to take my Morphe brush. I'm going to take a little bit of the same shade and line the lower lash line. Nice! Very fast, very simple. And then on my brow bone, I'm going to go back to the Nearly Nude palette and I'm going to take a smaller brush and just hit the inside corner of my eye to highlight. And take whatever's left over and go underneath my eyebrows just so the light can catch it. Now I'm going to go in with Essence's Lash Princess Mascara. You guys, this mascara is super affordable. I think it retails for $4.99 and you can get it at Ulta. At least that's where I picked it up. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, mascara is on. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the under eye with the RCMA No Color Powder. I did a review on this a couple videos ago, and I just sprinkle a little bit into the palm of my hand, and I'm going to use my Sigma brush, take some product, and just slightly sweep it under my eyes. This sets my foundation beautifully, and it lasts all day long. And it retails for $12, and you get 3 ounces. I'm telling you, these prices are super affordable. Now for blush, I'm going to go in with CYO's Crush on Blush in Just Saying. This has so much pigment, and I'm gonna take it on a MAC brush and just swirl it, tap it off, and just hit the apples of my cheeks. I love this blush because it doesn't add any texture to my face, and it has such a beautiful soft color. It looks super crazy bright, but it's not. It goes on beautifully. Now for highlight, I'm just gonna go back into Revolution Pro's Sculpt and Glow and just go down the bridge of my nose, hit through here. And I love how the light catches through here. So I'm gonna hit by my temples and Cupid's bow. Now for lips, I'm gonna go in with Milani's Amore Shine Lip Gloss. This is beautiful. I love the consistency, I love the pigment, and I got the color Foxy. Find it to be such a beautiful nude. This is super affordable as well. And I'm just gonna go in with a light coat, and it smells amazing. Isn't that a gorgeous shade? This is like almost the perfect nude for my skin tone. Gorgeous. And this is, I believe, I got it for $4.49. Are you kidding me? Now to set my face, I'm gonna use my favorite Catrice Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. And I'm just gonna go right in and set up my makeup. So what do you think, guys? Simple, elegant, every day. I think it's beautiful. And like I said, most of these products I got for literally $5. Now, the foundation was probably the most expensive product. You can get anywhere from $11.99 to $15.99. But, you know, foundations do run pretty pricey. But yeah, are you thinking about saving some money? I know the holidays are coming up. I know we would like to have a fantastic holiday season. I know with the holidays coming up, I need to be a little more frugal. So that's why I wanted to show you this video of getting a beautiful look with very affordable makeup. So yeah, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more videos like this. Going towards the end of the year, I know we're trying to pinch our pennies. Like I said, the average woman will spend $3,000 a year on makeup alone. That is a lot of money when you break it down and you think, oh my God. And in my next upcoming video, I will be doing more skincare and I will be doing a review on some Korean makeup. I can't wait for that. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Remember, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. And don't forget to click on my little head if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you don't, that's cool too. And don't forget to check out the videos over here in case you're interested. So mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.